Welcome, happy people. I want to believe today is a wonderful day. And to my new viewer, I welcome you to FX Emperor, where we discuss great ideas and share useful strategies on how to take professional trade and make reasonable profit. Kindly watch till the end because I will be sharing tips and tricks on how to make your account grow faster and make reasonable profits at all costs. The thing is that you just have to follow the rules. If you can watch to the end, I will show you step-by-step guides and the rules that governs certain trade, and if you follow it, I can assure you bit by bit you make a lot of profit. Without taking much of your time, let's dive into it. You're welcome once again, and like I promised, I'll be showing you tricks and tips on how to use certain indicators to make profit in your trading. And on this channel, like I always do, I will show you the steps and I'll trade live for you to see. And if you find this video useful at the end, kindly click on like button and also share. Please subscribe as well and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be among the first set of people to see another awesome video that I'll be dropping soon. Alright, let's go into it straight.
Okay, I think you can enter the market now since it just spiked down. Just take 3, 4, 5 candlestick and we'll leave the market. That is the idea of the whole thing. Once it just spike, just take 3, 4 candlestick, then you leave the market. That is if you are using higher lot size, so that another spike will not happen or will not catch you. But meanwhile, you have to study the market trend, if the market is uptrend or downtrend. And how do you quickly know that? Zoom to the last zoom, that is your zoom 1. Check the higher time frame to see what is happening at the market. This is 5 minutes time frame, and since the market is kind of consolidating at the upper part, check the 15 minutes. You see, just confirm that it's like consolidating, but it's still at the upper trend. This is the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, and that is why you don't need to be greedy about it. You don't need to take much of your time. Since it just spiked, let me go back to 1 minute time frame. Just enter a trade, just buy, count 5 candlestick and you're out. So let me quickly buy. This is this, and then I buy, I place my buy. 5 candlestick and I'm out. 5 candlestick and you're out. You don't have to be greedy with the market. Actually, there was a strategy I was intended to show you on how to catch spike, but I couldn't get into the market on time because, like I said, I'll always try as much as possible to do live trading. I can easily set the strategy and then show you how to go about it. That is just theory as far as I'm concerned. I explain and I put in my trade for you to see. But since the market is like this now, let me just quickly show you this. Once it spikes, just take 3, 4 candlestick. If you are using higher lot size, $2, $3 is also something which you can do over and over and over if you are not greedy, you know. But if you are having low budget, if you are having low capital, you can easily use 0.20, that's 20 cents as your lot size. That's 20 cents as your lot size, you know. And take 5 candlesticks and you are out of the market. That's just it. As simple as that. Since you've entered the market, you can easily zoom in to see your candlestick proper, so that you'll be able to count properly how many candlesticks you have in to the market. Okay, I will say this is, I started from this middle, give or take, this is just 2 candlesticks so far, and we are still in profit. We are still in profit. You know, at FX Emperor, we don't just talk and talk, we do the trading for you to see. And as well, we take much risk, calculated risk, although calculated risk. $1, $2, $3 profits, you are cool. If you can repeat that 10 times in a day, you can do the math. Depends on your lot size though. But the key thing is do your calculation right, do your analysis well, study the market trend before you enter the trade, and you don't be greedy. I keep emphasizing on that. Greed kills. When it comes to trading, follow the rules. I'm trading on Crash 1000. How many candles is this now? I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the fourth one is still moving. I think we just entered the fourth one. Anyways, this is how it goes. 1.5, profit of 1.55 now. We are still in profits. And why I'm keeping this now is because we just have a long spike. This is where the long spike I told you about. And the fact that we just had this long spike gave us that chance to quickly enter into the market. I mean the spike is short. I might not enter the market because there is possibility of it to spike again. But with my calculation analysis, this long spike, we can easily enter the market and quickly make the market with 4 or 5 candlestick, and we are out. Okay, so back to zoom 1. Back to 1 minute time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me out of the market. Wow, $2. $2, we are out. That's interesting. That's how you get about it for this particular type. But I'll still shoot another video that will explain on how to catch the spike. Don't be surprised if this market keeps going up and up and up and it reaches the RSI 90 or touches the blue envelope. Yeah, this blue line. It depends. Yeah, that's the blue line I'm talking about. The envelope and the RSI relative strength index 90. Once the candlestick, once my moving average or my moving average touches that, it will spike down. That is if you are on crash. Or if you are on boom, if you touch the downside, then it will spike up. But since I'm trading on Crash 1000 index now, that is why we have this huge spike down. This huge spike down here. This red huge spike down. Anyway, I'll still do another video like I said that shows that proper on how to wait, do your calculation, then follow the market trend and catch the spike. Thank you. If you find this video useful and interesting, kindly click like and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be among the first set of people that will see the new strategy I'm releasing shortly. Thank you very much and stay blessed.